Welcome to our comprehensive review of the best electric scooters available on the market today. In this video, we will delve into the top models, examining their features, performance, and value for money. Whether you are a daily commuter seeking efficiency or an enthusiast looking for the latest in technology and design, we have curated a selection that caters to all needs and preferences. Stay tuned until the end, as we reveal our top pick and provide exclusive tips on how to maximize your riding experience. Let's embark on this electrifying journey to find your perfect scooter. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The world of electric scooters with the GoTrax G4 Plus. This sleek ride boasts some impressive features that are bound to turn heads. Let's take a closer look, shall we? First up, let's talk about the range and tires. With a whopping 25 miles of travel on a single charge, say goodbye to frequent pit stops and hello to eco-friendly commuting. Plus, those 10-inch pneumatic tires offer a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough terrain. Power is the name of the game with the GoTrax G4 Plus. Its 500W motor means you'll zip through city streets with ease. And with a spacious 6.7-inch wide deck, you'll have plenty of room to find your footing and cruise in style. Safety first, folks. The G4 Plus comes equipped with both an electronic code lock and a cable lock, providing double the protection against theft. Say goodbye to worrying about your scooter when you're not around. Stay informed and visible on the road with the G4 Plus's smart display and lighting features. Easily check your mileage, battery life, and speed at a glance. Plus, with a bright headlight and flashing red tail light when braking, you'll ride with confidence day or night. Last but certainly not least, GoTrax offers a 365-day limited warranty on the G4 Plus, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Have questions or concerns? Their customer service team is ready to assist you every step of the way. The GoTrax G4 Plus electric scooter offers a winning combination of power, range, and safety features that cater to riders' needs. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring the city, this scooter is your reliable companion on the road. Number 4. The GoTrax GMax Ultra. Packed with features designed to make your commute a breeze, this scooter might just be the game-changer you've been looking for. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk security. The GMax Ultra comes with both an electric code lock and a built-in cable lock, offering double the protection against theft. With these features in place, you can rest easy knowing your scooter is safe and secure wherever you go. Say goodbye to range anxiety with the GMax Ultra's advanced LG battery. With a whopping 45-mile range on a single charge, this scooter is perfect for tackling long commutes in the city. Plus, with proper tire maintenance, you can ensure optimal performance every time you hit the road. Power and speed are at your fingertips with the GMax Ultra's 500W motor. Easily reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, with 2 gear speed settings to choose from. Whether you're cruising through the streets or zipping past traffic, this scooter has got you covered. Stay informed and visible on the road with the GMax Ultra's multifunctional LED control panel and bright headlights. Easily keep track of your mileage, battery life, and speed, while the front headlight and flashing red taillights ensure you're seen, day or night. Last but not least, let's talk about comfort. The GMax Ultra features 10-inch pneumatic tires that absorb shock and bumps from different terrains, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. With a wide deck and soft silicone pad for stability, you'll feel confident and in control every time you hop on. The GoTrax GMax Ultra is a game-changer in the world of electric scooters, offering top-notch security, long-lasting battery life, and unbeatable comfort and stability. Number 3. The Segway Ninebot Kickscooter Max G2. With its extended range, powerful performance, and advanced features, this scooter is ready to take your rides to the next level. Let's dive in. Get ready to explore with the Max G2's impressive range. Thanks to its 551Wh battery, you can travel up to 43 miles in eco mode at a leisurely 10 miles per hour, or cover 25 miles at a zippy 22 miles per hour. Say hello to longer rides and fewer recharges. With a whopping 1000 W max power output, The Max G2 delivers impressive performance on every ride. Whether you're cruising through the city streets or tackling uphill climbs, this scooter has the power to get you where you need to go with ease. Say goodbye to range anxiety with ride-along tech. This innovative technology not only extends the scooter's range but also improves efficiency, ensuring you can go the distance without compromise. Get ready to ride farther and faster than ever before. Experience ultimate comfort with the Max G2's full-on suspension system. From uneven sidewalks to rough terrain, this scooter handles obstacles effortlessly, giving you a smooth and enjoyable ride no matter where you go. When it comes to braking, the Max G2 doesn't mess around. With front drum and rear electronic brakes, you'll enjoy dual safety features that bring you to a quick and controlled stop every time. Plus, with anti-skid TCS technology, stability is guaranteed on any surface. And there you have it, folks. The Segway Ninebot Kickscooter Max G2 is a game-changer in the world of electric scooters, offering extended range, powerful performance, and top-notch safety features. Number 2. The Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Pro, a sleek and upgraded ride that promises to take your urban commuting experience to the next level. Let's explore what makes this scooter stand out from the crowd. The Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Pro has undergone a sizable transformation, with increased dimensions in every aspect. From its taller stance to its wider handlebar and deck, this scooter offers a more spacious and comfortable ride. Plus, its aerospace-grade aluminum alloy frame ensures unmatched durability without compromising on weight. Say goodbye to tire punctures and hello to a smoother journey with the Xiaomi Duragel tire. With its tubeless structure and self-sealing gel, you can ride worry-free on any terrain. Plus, the larger 10-inch tire size provides superior shock absorption, making bumpy roads feel like smooth sailing. With a simple double tap of the power button, you can effortlessly switch between speed modes to suit your riding environment. And with a powerful 446Wh battery, the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Pro offers an impressive range of up to 55 kilometers on a single charge, ensuring you can go the distance without interruption. Charging your scooter is now a breeze thanks to the magnetized charging port, eliminating the need for manual insertion. Plus, with 6 built-in protections, your battery stays safe and durable, giving you peace of mind during every ride. Keep track of your battery's condition with ease using the Xiaomi Home app. Experience improved energy efficiency with the upgraded KRS, which converts braking and coasting energy into usable electrical power. Customize the energy recovery efficiency to suit your individual riding preferences through the Xiaomi Home app, ensuring a personalized and eco-friendly commute. In conclusion, the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Pro is a game-changer in the world of urban commuting. With its larger dimensions, enhanced durability, and innovative features like the Duragel tire and KRS, it offers a superior riding experience that's both comfortable and eco-friendly. Number 1. The Niu KQi3 Pro Electric Scooter, a sleek and powerful ride designed to revolutionize your daily commute. Get ready to explore the features that make this scooter stand out from the rest. With a 350W motor delivering up to 700W output, the Niu KQi3 Pro packs a serious punch. It zooms up to 20 miles per hour and conquers hills with a 20% grade climbing ability. Plus, its high-capacity lithium battery offers an impressive range of up to 31 miles on just 6 hours of charging time, catering to all your commuting, playing, and scooting needs. Say goodbye to cramped rides. The Niu electric scooter is designed for comfort and stability, featuring taller, wider, and longer dimensions than ordinary scooters. With 25% wider handlebars, a 13% wider deck, and 30% fatter tires, this scooter offers a plush and secure riding experience for adults of all sizes. Safety is paramount, and the Niu KQi3 Pro doesn't disappoint. With a front mechanical disc brake, rear dual disc, and electric brake system, it ensures reliable braking in any situation. Intelligent regenerative braking enhances energy efficiency by 4%, while aerospace-grade aluminum construction and high-powered lighting keep you safe on the road. Experience the future of scootering with smart features like the Niu app and LED display. Lock your scooter for peace of mind, track your riding statistics, or customize your speed and cruise control, all from your smartphone. It's convenience and connectivity at your fingertips. Ride with confidence knowing that all Niu electric scooters are UL certified and backed by a 2-year warranty. With Niu's commitment to quality and after-sales service, you can enjoy worry-free riding for years to come. Check out the warranty details on the product page for full peace of mind. In conclusion, the Niu KQi3 Pro electric scooter combines power, comfort, and safety to deliver an exceptional riding experience. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring the city, this scooter has everything you need for a smooth and enjoyable ride. So that wraps up our list of the best electric scooters for hills. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Review Avenue family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.